ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ.
Hello listeners, this is your RJ Swati here and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defense, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingale Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly. So today, we have a talk by Mr. K.L. Rao on the occasion of Mr. Ambedkar 131st birthday anniversary. My tribute to Baba Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who gave India its strongest pillar of strength, our sacred constitution. So it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Today, the nation is celebrating 131st birth anniversary of Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was born on 14th April 1891. His contribution to Dalit rights and the Constitution of India are incredible. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in the year 1990. In the London School of Economics, he completed 8-year course in just 2 years, 3 months. For this, he had to study 21 hours per day. He was born in Mhow, Madhya Pradesh, now known as Dr. Ambedkar Nagar. He studied BA at the University of Mumbai. He studied MA PhD at Columbia University. He pursued MSc and DSc at London School of Economics. He barristered at law at Gray's Inn. Ambedkar founded Scheduled Caste Federation in 1942. He founded Independent Labour Party in 1936. And he founded Republican Party of India in 1956. Bahishkrit Hitkarani Sabha, Samata Sainik Dal are social organizations with which Ambedkar was associated. Let me tell you the following facts about Ambedkar. He was 14th and last child for his parents. He was the first Indian to get a doctorate degree in economics from abroad. The only Indian whose statue was attached to that of Karl Marx in the London Museum. He gave Ashok Chakra in Indian tricolor, though Pingali Venkayya, an Andhra person, designed the national flag. Nobel Prize winner Professor Amartya Sen considered Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as his father in economics. Ambedkar's personal library, Rajgrih, comprises of 50,000 books, and it was the world's largest private library. The book Waiting for Visa, written by Ambedkar, is a textbook at Columbia University. Columbia University made a list of world's top 100 scholars in 2004. The first name in that list happens to be Ambedkar's. Ambedkar was a master of 64 subjects. He knows 9 languages: Hindi, Pali, Sanskrit, English, French, German, Marathi, Persian, and Gujarati. His initiation in Buddhism in support of 850,000 was a landmark in the history because it was the largest conversion in the world. Mahant Veerachandra Mani, a great Buddhist monk who initiated Baba Sahib to Buddhism, called him the modern Buddha of this age. Ambedkar is the first and only person in the world to receive a valuable doctoral degree named Doctor All Science. In 1954, in the World Buddhist Council held in Kathmandu, Nepal, Buddhist monk gave Ambedkar the highest title of Buddhism, Bodhisattva. His famous book is The Buddha and His Dhamma. Though Ambedkar passed away at the age of 65, he did the work of 100 years. This is a very important point which we should remember. There are the inspiring quotations of Ambedkar. They cannot make history who forget history. Be educated, be organized, and be agitated. I like the religion that teaches liberty, equality, and fraternity. Life should be great rather than long. If I find the Constitution being misused, I shall be the first man to burn it. Cultivation of mind should be ultimate aim of human existence. If you believe in living a respectable life, you believe in self-help, which is the best help. We must stand on our own feet and fight as best as we can for our rights. So carry on your agitation and organize your forces. Power and prestige will come to you through struggle. The history of India is nothing but a history of mortal conflict between Buddhism and Brahmanism. I measure the progress of a community by the degree of progress which women have achieved. Men are mortal, so are ideas. An idea needs propagation as much as a plant needs watering. Otherwise, both will wither and die. Every man who repeats the dogma of Mill that one country is no fit to rule another country must admit that one class is not fit to rule another class. The relationship between husband and wife should be one of closest friends. Political tyranny is nothing compared to the social tyranny, and a reformer who defies a society is a more courageous man than a politician who defies government. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society. Law and order are the medicine of the body politic, and when the body politic gets sick, medicine must be administered. Ambedkar is forever in our hearts.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing. We loved your talk. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too listen the program Thank you so much. Stay tuned to Hiriyaravani for more such interesting program. Government of India has initiated Elderline toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question and queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.